Along with great buttonholes that the Pfaff Ambition 1.0 sewing machine can make, it can also make what's called corded buttonholes. So we have a foot that we have a button placed in the back, so that's the exact size of buttonhole it will make. But when you need the satin stitching to be a little bit more filled in or a little bit more stable, you can take a piece of cord, it can even be some thread that's a little thicker, and you're going to hook it around the back side of the buttonhole. And I'm going to do it when this is on, but to show you now. And then it's actually going to come up the little middle part here, and you can see that it actually puts the cord exactly where the buttonhole satin stitching is going to cover. So once it's done, we can then pull on it, and it will kind of pull it all inward, and it works really, really well. Once the cord's in position, it will just be tracked with the foot, making it really easy to be covered up. Really kind of a fun way to get a really bold looking buttonhole. And yes, I did use kind of a fun gold thread here. Once it stops, lift up the presser foot, pull it out, and what you're going to do is gently pull on the cord, and that will kind of pull that right on through, and you can hide that little top part at the top and then trim it off at the bottom, and now you have a perfectly corded buttonhole.